Let me keep my phone by myself just in case my mom calls.
Oh, and look, this is what she's doing.
What is that?
Oh, this is her Whips friends.
It looks like the human centipede but with arms. Wait, is this... How do I know if this is recording?
I think it's recording right now.
Yeah, but I don't know if it's the internal mic or the fancy mic. Fancy. Okay. You know
Ria,
what?
do a mic check right there.
Is blinking on
Mic
or-
check, mic check.
Yeah, it's recording.
Yeah.
Oh, it's recording.
Oh my god.
Hello, Mike. Hello, people who are listening to it. My name is Ria, and I will be Mehek's guest on her YouTube channel one day, hopefully, and you will enjoy it. I just know
Today.
it.
It's gonna be today. I will upload this. Our
Okay,
rants.
but I want the YouTube and your 12 subscribers to look at my beautiful face.
Oh. I put tape over my webcam because I'm afraid of the FBI looking at me eat Cheetos indiscriminately while watching YouTube.
I thought it was about that creep who told you his...
Oh, someone whose name is a lot like Bhindi, but like okra.
Okra, yeah. Anyway, he kind of was a creep to me and Mehek, but her on a more intense level.
Yeah, he threatened to like get into my. He said he knew hacking and he could get into my phone and like know everything I do. And I was like, shit, there go
Is
my
he-
terrible memes.
Is he one of your 12 subscribers? Are you Bhindi?
No, Bhindi is a nice guy. We call Sam Bhindi. This guy is okra.
Oh, are you Okra? Are you one of the 12 subscribers? If so, comment on the comments. I will read them.
I will go to your house and beat you up.
Since there are only 12 subscribers, I need not look too hard for them.
Oh.
Ria, you're drunk. No, this is what Bua warned us about.
This is the usual me. This is me being wild on a podcast.
Oh, Mehek.
Well, if Mehek has a camera, I can show them a video of dragging Ria around.
You're coming to the New Year's party, right? Like 100%.
100%.
Okay, so the theme is Roaring 20s. Aditya will dress up.
Yes, I will.
And you will wear pants.
And I will look taller than
Oh,
you.
isn't he wearing pants now?
Disclaimer,
jeans.
people, Aditya does wear pants, only he doesn't wear like proper pants, he wears shorts or jeans, something Aditi does not approve of.
Maybe we should have left that up to their imagination.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
You wanted to clarify.
And a shirt, not a hoodie.
Come on, hoodies is my thing.
Get a new thing.
Oh,
Yeah, you changed your hair too.
Yeah, he looks exactly like Veronica Masi with this haircut.
I was
Okay, I didn't notice it earlier, but now I see it.
Yeah. Now I don't approve of this haircut.
Oh,
But
no.
very North Campus of you.
It is, it really is. I mean, I could definitely see you getting Maggie anywhere.
You know,
But I could see everyone getting Maggie anywhere because Maggie is awesome. We should all camp out
I
outside
had
Tom
Maggie this
Uncle's.
morning.
Listen, next time you guys come over, instead of momos, or we can have both, we can like just share one plate of Maggie. Let's go to that Maggie point I was telling you.
Can we have
Yes.
Swiss Maggie?
Yeah, sure.
Which Maggie?
Swiss Maggie.
Yeah.
Oh, sounds
So they have
fancy.
Maggie from like different flavors from all over the country.
Aditi, if the Maggie
All
is
over the
not
world.
good, you have my permission
No,
to
I've
execute
eaten.
Ria.
Listen, what do you think you are, Napoleon? I've tried Swiss Maggie and it's pretty amazing.
Talking of Napoleons, can we get Millifuis?
Oh yes, we can.
Never had them, but sure.
Oh, Ria, you poor child.
Oh
I-
guys.
I'm taking you to Oberoi as soon as I can.
Guys,
I will be there. Yeah.
We have to go to Theobroma, like the shop someday.
Dude, I have Theobroma brownies
No,
right
if you
now.
go to shop, like the vibe.
I've heard they have-
It's right here. It's like walking distance.
I've heard they
Properly,
have
na?
good hot chocolate also.
They do. I've tried it. It's good. But Oberoi hot chocolate's way better because they like.
So we'll have that thing which reminded you of Napoleon and we'll have hot chocolate.
Millifuis, yes,
Okay?
yes.
Next time I come over, you're taking me to Oberoi.
You know,
done.
I'm coming too.
Of course.
And Aditya.
Yeah,
Cousin
sure.
heard of
Please don't wear a hoodie.
Okay.
And please wear pants.
I,
And my shoes. Whatever this is.
these are shoes. I don't know what you're talking about.
They're sneakers.
Aditi calls these sneakers.
They are
The people
sneakers.
in the podcast can't hear you. I mean, can't see you. They can hear you. They can't see the shoes or the sneakers. So they have no reason to believe that you are lying or
Well,
not.
It's
On
3
another
against-
topic, I've never been to Starbucks in my life.
That's not a bad thing actually.
Yeah.
Have you
Coffee
ever?
bean tea leaf is way better.
Oh yeah, I was so mad. Like in Kolkata, when I was coming back in the airport, like we were stranded there for hours and hours. Horrible flight service. I'll get to that later. But basically, we were like starving because we were only supposed to be there for like half an hour max, and we were there for hours and hours. And we shopped, we shopped like hell. Probably shouldn't have, but we did. And when we were done with all that, like we were like, okay, let's eat. And because we were both starving, and we went everywhere, and the food courts were blocked. Like, let's go to Coffee Bean and Thyme, and they had nothing.
It's a coffee place. Have you tried their iced Spanish latte? It is a dream come true for a person who loves chewing ice.
Guys, I really want to try bubble tea. Do you know a good place where we can have bubble tea?
No, I've never tried bubble tea. I've heard a lot about it, but then it was so popular. Like, no, I will not be a hipster. Nah, not in this house.
Excuse
not under
me,
this.
I am a hipster.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Hippie chic is my style.
No.
You should see Ria lying on
You
the
say
sofa.
this to me while I'm wearing a blazer and a button-down shirt.
Ria.
Yes.
These are witch shoes, right?
Which?
Witch shoes from Harry Potter?
Is this more hippie stuff?
No.
No.
You see,
What shoes like that?
These are my good shoes.
No, mine.
contrary to popular belief, I'm the civilized one in our house.
Nice.
They are witch shoes, right?
I guess.
Look.
They're shiny.
And I think you're not the civilized person. You didn't shave for an entire month.
Yeah, but I'm still more civilized than her.
You
If
didn't
anyone wants a description, unshaved Aditya looked like a mix between a monkey and
a homeless man.
yes.
I would think a person mowing a lawn with roller skates on.
Well, actually, comparing us to the homeless man isn't fair to the homeless man.
Yeah, they grow it out. It's even.
Yeah. Yours was a scratchy, wasn't it?
Well, it's gone now.
Note to the listeners, viewers, whatever you want to call yourselves, I don't discriminate. His shaving job leaves a lot to be desired for.
My shaver is faulty. I don't know what you want me to do.
Your neck looks like it's been through hell, and you won't even put Borolin on it.
Alright.
I have lactic aluminum also.
Yeah.
I'll get some. I can also pluck some aloe vera off of my balcony.
No, it's
Yes,
fine.
I'm a person who plants aloe vera on a
Aloe vera
balcony.
burns. You know what? Fine, I wasn't shaving. I was skinning my face. What's your problem?
You were skinning your face?
Yeah.
What do you mean you were skinning your face?
He wants to become like the faceless men in Game of Thrones. Wants to peel off his face, put on another person's face. The kind of thing.
Why can't you just put another face on without peeling yours off?
Well, then I can't put my face on, can I?
You already have it on. It's your face.
Oh, by the way, let's meet up after 18th. Like his exams get
16th, no.
16th. I come back on the 18th. I'll probably have to do registry and shit after 19th, 20th.
We can go for coffee.
21st.
Ice Spanish lattes with a lot of crushed ice. A lot of like a mountain of crushed ice, and
I was
you can just chew it.
I was thinking hot chocolate, but sure.
21st or 22nd?
Hot chocolate with ice.
21st.
Or 22nd. Which one?
We're anyway meeting on the 25th.
Yeah, but...
Yeah. Okay.
Should I bring out the chalk and you can select your shades? Yes. It's coming! And so is the lactic caramel.
Yeah.
Should we make Aditya chalk his hair too?
Yeah.
Oh, I think you would look really good with
In the
green.
fringe?
Just do it on the
It would
fringe.
look good on
Yeah.
the fringe, right? You look very hipster.
Yeah, but like hipster is not kind of my style.
What is your style? Hoodies?
No. It's more of I don't really care.
No offense to anyone who wears hoodies. Actually, from Aditi's side, it is. She didn't meant to offend you.
I love hoodies. I just think...
Here, Aditya apply to your face. And here is the hair chalk.
Also, note to the listeners, I don't mind hoodies. I love hoodies. I have many hoodies myself. I just feel like certain people should have known better to wear certain hoodies to certain places, such as a Roaring 20s themed party.
Did they have hoodies back then?
No, they did not.
Wow. What
They
a-
had shirts and ties.
I had
and
decided to
pants.
color my hair bright orange.
Done.
What a terrible time to live in.
You wouldn't live if you were in that time. You'd probably be dead of pink eye.
Interesting. Just look at how Aditya's stroking his chin.
Yeah,
Like,
that's basically how I shave as well.
A description to the viewers, it's like a evil genius stroking his fake mustache.
It's like how those people fondle their throats in cough medicine infomercials.
I don't know if what one are you going to use?
Anyone, pick the one you like.
I can't choose between blue.
You know what? I can see this looking very good on Aditya.
Yeah, Aditya can wear green. Green is his lucky color anyway.
I'm thinking either blue or purple.
Purple
Well,
would look really good
go
on you.
with-
I would tell you to apply my favorite color, but my favorite color is black. So
Your favorite color is green. Stop lying to the people in the podcast.
my favorite color is black. Why do you think I picked this hoodie?
Because
No,
it's
you
living.
always pick green in Monopoly saying that it's your lucky color.
It's my lucky color for money. There's a difference.
Because money is green.
Yeah. Green makes
That's
it rain.
everyone's lucky color for money. It's the color of money.
Then why do we always go with a different color and give him green?
Because you guys are not very.
Because you know what?
intelligent.
He looks like that guy Jake from American Dragon. With that hoodie and
Oh
haircut.
yes, yes.
Well, at least he was somewhat cool.
You know the haircut does suit him.
It does.
But
You
it
look
looks,
like,
make him look an awful lot like Veronica Masi.
it's like if Jake was Veronica Masi.
Listen. At least now he looks like he's 18 years old. Earlier he used to look like a kid.
Yeah.
And you still look like 15 years old.
Did anyone ask for
That's a compliment though.
You
For
got-
her, it's a compliment.
Yeah, you're not getting into bars anytime soon, Ray.
Why?
I'll tell neither are you.
Wait, but you're old enough now.
Yeah, I can definitely get into bars. I'll be 22 in March.
So what's the issue? She has an idea.
I could probably get into bars.
Yeah,
Like,
all of you can.
I got into a bar
I
when I was
think I
8 for the first time, so I
You-
don't
if
think
you're
it'll be an
18,
issue.
If you're 18, you can get into a bars. Actually, I've seen younger people get into bars.
I was in one when I was 8.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, I got kicked out in 10 minutes flat, but at least I got some nice mints
Oh,
out
genius!
of it.
I did go to a bar for my friend's birthday.
And you
Yeah,
probably
sure.
probably got drunk.
You know what? So like in our college, we go to bars in like broad daylight, like 3 in the afternoon. Oh, that's such a nice pic. I've seen that.
Yeah, it's on my Instagram.
Yes.
Oh, that's such a nice photo.
You look like you're happy and sneezing.
It's the flash. It's the flash.
It looks so vintage though, right?
Yeah.
Like those early 1980s photos.
Yeah. I've noticed if you use flash in a dark room, then the photo does end up looking very vintage.
I'm gonna use that. I'm going to use that around your Christmas tree. Have you put it up yet?
No, Mama is refusing to put it up because she's like, we have no help around the house and Papa is also going. What's the point? And now that my exams are over, I'm going to force the issue.
Wait till my exams are over. Decorating the Christmas tree is my favorite time of the year.
Are you gonna put popcorn strings on it?
We already have a lot of decorations.
We would put popcorn strings, but Cleo has
Yeah,
a habit
Cleo-
of eating everything, so
Cleo even eats unedible things, so popcorn strings wouldn't be a big thing for her.
Careful there, you talk about candy corn and they might die. You know what? I think earrings would make great ornaments.
Yeah,
They
I've been
would.
noticing them. They look so medieval vintage. I love it.
I have like
And the blue really
I have
stand
like
out.
these, but it's slightly different design, little smaller, which are even more medieval. Have to wear them. I'm gonna wear them on Christmas. Yes. Very
Christmassy.
yes.
this is
I want to go to a Renaissance fair once in my life.
Same.
Do we have any going on? We might
No,
have
we
to.
don't have them in this country.
We'll have to wear linen underpants.
Great,
Listen,
we can
guys,
execute Ria
guys,
there.
guys. You talk about executing me at least half a dozen of times. What are you? The Red Queen from Alice in Wonderland? Off with her head.
Or
That
is
time, execute Rhea. Execute Rhea.
Maybe it's King Henry VIII.
Asha, guys, on more important things, Comic Con is coming this month.
Yes.
Oh yeah, Sam also invited us.
Yes. You know what? Let's go like all as X-Men or all as something similar.
Okay,
let's
so we
cosplay and
can
coordination.
next time we meet before Christmas or whenever, let's either go to the trampoline park or go to the Comic Con. But we'll go to the Comic Con only if like someone interesting is coming, not if someone lame is coming. So
But Rhea, food.
Okay.
food तो देखो अच्छा food देखो कहीं पे भी मिल सकता है,
Guys,
देखो,
let me
मेरे
just look up
festival में मिल
Comic Con
सकता है.
right now instead of.
Look up the events. If it's something interesting, then we'll go.
Okay, Comic Con 20. Let me just.
So they have a 3-day event, right?
Okay, let me search it first. Comic Con Delhi 2019.
I just realized if you have any stalkers on your podcast, they might follow us there. Best not make plans while
Yeah,
you're
let's
recording.
not tell them the date.
Yeah.
Alright, Okra might be listening.
Guys, let me voice search this.
You can always
People
edit it.
only like you when you're fried.
We'll go to Comic Con on 30th February.
There is no Comic Con.
That's the
They
point.
Guys,
do not know
guys, let me
that.
search this for a second. Comic Con 2019.
In Delhi too.
You know, it would have taken you less time to just type it.
I'm not going to type.
You can always edit it out.
Oh no, everything stays.
I'm not
I am
typing.
faithful to my
You know they
12
have a
listeners.
they have a Facebook page. You could have always gone over there.
Blah blah blah. I'm smart. I'm Rhea.
I don't think I uses Facebook. Does anyone use Facebook?
I do sometimes.
I have a really ugly profile picture that I want to change, but then people will know I'm still alive.
Okay, so the price is like $5.99 right now.
which is much
Really good.
which is much cheap compared to our school's masquerade. Like what a rip-off.
2,500, right?
Yeah.
And that's for the early bird special.
Yeah.
You know what? I'm still in for dressing up as janitors. Or just going in uniform. They won't know. They'll never. We
Yeah.
can dress up as horse. We can hide behind horses. Let's hide behind horses. I think renting a horse is cheaper.
We'll just go to Comic Con or trampoline
Yeah,
park or
trust
something
me. You know which is Atta. We'll just bring a horse and we like strap ourselves under its belly and we just let the horse loose. And you know how much he loves horses.
Yeah.
fun. Vijay Datta, if you ever listen to this podcast, you know what we think of you.
And stop naming your horses Sebastian.
Do you think Cleo would qualify as a horse?
Did
She acts like one.
did he actually get kicked in the face by a horse?
Did you?
He would be
If you're
dead.
listening, did you? Does anyone, do any of the 12 subscribers know? Let us know, please. We'll be reading the comments. It's only 12 of you, so we'll find you.
No, I'm
Ria is
seriously.
probably too lazy to read even that, so
I'll find you.
yeah.
No, seriously, it's like somebody told
I'm watching you.
someone seriously told me that Asha got thrown out of the school because she kicked him in the face.
But we loved Asha. We gave her carrots and she was so nice to
Yeah.
us.
Listen,
Okay, I
real horse
agree.
lovers don't.
It wasn't
throw-
the horse's fault that he got kicked in the face.
He what can I say? Okay, I agree. Asha had an ugly fringe, but she was such a nice horse.
No, I mean, like, apparently the issue was that he went to pet her and she kicked him in the face.
Okay, guys, I'm not
Probably
editing anything
should.
out, so if he does find this,
Yeah.
we were sorry. All respect here. We're just having a good time, and we
Sort of
might
drunk.
be yes, and
We really like and respect you, sir. I mean, we've already graduated. You can't kick us out anyways.
and for bird chat on Aditi, she's having a shitty day.
Damn that bird! I'm gonna kill it. That's my arch nemesis.
Not once, not twice, not thrice. 4 birds chat on Aditi.
Maybe it was the same bird, but it had loose motions and it found Aditi as a suitable spot.
Possible.
I have a feeling we're going to be served cooked pigeon on Aditi's birthday.
But
Pigeon pie.
But I get it because Aditi smells really nice. Maybe they were just looking for something pretty, something nice. And
How does that
blame
mean?
your good taste in perfume.
Yeah, it's C.
Or maybe just
I
because...
can't see the perfume, Aditi.
It's C-S-I.
Oh.
My mom's here. Bye.
Oh,
okay.
take care.
I will
Bye.
find who's coming on
Bye.
Comic Con.
I'll follow the page on Facebook. I'll let you know if I find someone innocent. Bye.
Bye.
Okay.
Why are you hugging me?